Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I do my morning skincare routine. So first thing first is the hydrating cleanser from Serum, and this is my favorite one. After cleansing my face, I try to use these facial tissues because towels are really not my thing. Next time using this toner, you can use any toner you have. This one is from Dot and Key. Now this step is non-negotiable for me. It's my vitamin C serum. This one is also from Dot and Key. I don't know why I love this brand so much. Once everything sets in, I will be going for this lightweight moisturizer because it's already like summer, so I prefer lightweight moisturizers. This one is also from Dot and Key. Okay, last step, but the main step is SPF. I never skip my SPF, and you should not too. It's looking so bad. Okay, I'm almost done, and this was my simple morning skincare routine. And see you guys in another video soon. Till then, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.